Hello, welcome. I'm going to explain to you how to use the if function and Countif functions in Microsoft Excel application. I use a student mark sheet for the practice. Okay, we try to open the Microsoft Excel. I use my sample student mark sheet. I type the school name in A1 cell. I type the grade here and year, terms and teacher's name in this cell. Type my worksheet heading like this. Use the for subject here. I think you have a basic knowledge to enter this data. Directly I am going to find the average. It is better if you can give the average marks with two decimal places with rounded value. Okay, I use the average functions to calculate the average and round the average value with two decimal places using round functions. Close the bracket and enter. Copy these functions to other students. Okay, next we will go to find the rank. We rank the students according to the average. I type the function here equal rank, open the bracket. First, I give the first student's average marks here, I4, comma, and you must give the range of average. In here 6 students, therefore I give I4 to I9. If you have 30 students, maybe I4 to I33. Be careful, you must give the absolute cell in this range. That means you must give the dollar sign for the row number in here like this and close the bracket and enter. You can find the rank and copy these functions to others. Rank will be displayed. Okay. Next we will go to find the pass fail, grade and remarks. Firstly we want to identify what are the conditions to fill these columns. Okay. These are my conditions. In pass fail column, if average marks greater than 40, then print pass, else print fail. Okay. Try to fill according to that. Okay. I type the if function here. If, open the bracket, and first you must give the conditions. Condition is average mark greater than or equal to, comma, double quoted, type the pass, comma, else double quoted, print fail. Okay, close the bracket and enter. Okay, copy these functions to other cells, the pass fail update. Okay, you remember how to grade it. These are the conditions to grade. The grade column must fill according to the A, B, C, S, F. The condition is average mark greater than or equal 80, print A, greater than or equal 60, print B, like that. Greater than or equal to 39, print F. In here also, I use if functions. Open the bracket. First, you must get the highest value. If average marks greater than or equal to 80, print A. Next, you have 4 choices. So, you must again check if I4 greater than 60, print B. Next, we have 3 choices. Again, you must click type if, check average greater than or equal 50, print C. Again, you must check I4 greater than 40. Next, we have only one choice. If greater than or equal 40, print S, else print F. Next, you open the 4 times in if functions. In here, you must close the 4 times using close bracket and enter. Okay. Copy this function to other cells. Next, we try to find the remarks column. In condition is if average marks greater than or equal to 60 and fees greater than or equal to 2000, then print yes. Else print no in remarks. In here, I use if function with and functions. If you have more condition, you want to use the if and functions. In here, open the bracket, type the and function and first condition here. First condition is average mass greater than or equal to 60, comma. Next condition is fees in per student fees in D4 cell. D4 greater than or equal to 2000. Close the bracket. Condition are true. So both conditions are true. Print within double quoted yes. Else print no. Close the bracket and enter. Copy these functions to others. Okay. Now, if you want to find some summary in here like this, you want to find number of male students in this worksheet. I use the Countif functions. Equal Countif, open the bracket. You must give the range, reference range, the status range here, comma, and what are the criteria? Criteria is the male, same as your data. Close the bracket. Within double quoted, you must type the criteria and press enter. Okay, you can see 4 students, male students here. Okay, if you want to find in here number of female students, same as I use the counting functions of the bracket, same range, and criteria is the female. Okay, close the bracket, enter. Okay, 2 female students here. If you want to find number of students, I use the count function. I use the student number range here. Close the bracket, enter. Okay, if you want to find the total fees, I use the sum function. Sum, the range is D4 to D9, fees range, close the bracket, enter. Okay, the all functions are displaying here. Okay, next, if you want to another summary like this, according to the number of students, according to the grade, okay, in here I type the same function, counting functions. The range is here, grade range. In this worksheet, you must give the absolute range because of we are going to this formula copy to other cells. Next, comma, P4 cell, we'll type the grade day in P4 cell, close the bracket. Okay, copy these functions to others. You can find number of students in each grade. Okay, so you complete the worksheet. The worksheet like this. I think you are very interesting with this. Okay, in next term, you want to copy this sheet to the new worksheet like this. You select this worksheet and copy, click new worksheet and press A1 cell, press enter. Okay, copy your new worksheet here. Okay, only you want to change sometimes in next terms, you must change only this data. Sometimes in next year you want to change like this data. Okay, the others are automatically calculated. Okay, you are interesting maybe like this worksheet. Okay, thank you very much. We will meet again with the new worksheet.